Welcome to Gabriel's Creative Fashion. I will show you guys how to make this beautiful flower at home. Now look at the material I'll be using. I'll be making use of this candle, this pen, needle, scissors, threads, this container. Look at the pieces, the ones that I've cut. I will show you guys from the beginning. Now this is the mirror face material. Look at another color. Now you're going to place it like this. Now mark land so that you have a circular form. Then you have to cut it land with your scissors. Now that's how I cut all these ones. Now I'll be making use of this 5, and look at the stone. I'll be making use of this stone also. Now I'm making use of this black one. As you can see, there are 5. Now hope you saw how I fold it. Now we are going to stitch it with this needle. Hope you are seeing that. Hope you are watching closely. Hope you are understanding it. Don't forget to click the red subscriber button under this video. You see that, so click on it so that you get notified when I post more tutorial video on different types of tailoring. Hope you have subscribed. Make sure you drop a comment so that if there is any error, I will make another wonderful video. Hope you are understanding what I did there. You are going to stick like 5, and this is the last one. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, okay, and hit the notification bell, because more video, more tutorial on different angles, cutting and sewing, and many more exciting tutorial. Hope you saw what I did here. Now you're going to drag out this, you're going to tie it up. Make sure you tie it down, you tie it very well so that it will be stick together. Make sure it is stick. Now after tying it down, make sure you tie it very well. Now I'm going to cut out the thread. Now look at how the flower, it is almost done. Now the last thing you're going to do now is to put your bead with a candle gum or any kind of gum. You're going to place it like this. Now it is done. Hope it is simple. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the red subscriber button under this video. Thank you. See you on our next video.